Now consider yourself to be a businessman who's manufacturing a sportswear. So you would like to sell it in the market. You need to know at what price you should sell it because you need to earn some revenue. If you are not concerned with revenue, how will you find out whether you have earned any profit? How will you find out whether you have incurred any loss? Is it profitable to remain in business or should you switch over to some other business? So revenue is very important to understand as it helps you to take various important business decisions. And suppose you want to be an entrepreneur, you will have to do financial planning. You will have to be concerned about the expected revenues so that you can make further investment plans. So revenue concepts are essential to understand not only for businessmen or for entrepreneurs, but also for those who are having their regular jobs. Because it is on the basis of revenues earned or salaries earned, one can make further financial plans. So let us understand it in more details. Hello everyone. Welcome to ECOSTUDYS channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Untitled Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing series for our 4 subjects to give you an insight about the courses offered at our website that will help you to prepare for your CBSE and CUET examinations. Before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, then hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our free valuable videos. And if you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Now let's get started. Any firm earns revenue to meet its cost of production. The difference between revenue and the cost gives the firm's profit. To analyze how a firm maximizes its profit, one needs to understand the basic concepts of total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue, where total revenue refers to the total receipts from the sale of a given quantity of a commodity. One can find total revenue by multiplying price of the good by its quantity sold. Average revenue is revenue per unit of output sold and can be found by total revenue divided by quantity sold, where total revenue is price into quantity divided by quantity, or we say average revenue is same as price, or it is same as demand. Please note that average revenue and demand curves are same. A buyer's demand curve graphically represents the quantities added by buyer at various prices. In other words, it shows the various levels of average revenue at which different quantities of the good are sold by the seller. Hence, it is customary to refer average revenue curve as demand curve of a firm. Marginal revenue is the additional revenue generated from the sale of an additional unit of output. One can find marginal revenue by having total revenue of n units minus total revenue of n minus 1 unit, or change in total revenue divided by change in quantity sold, or summation of Marginal revenue is total revenue. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.